So here we're going to talk about the explain or resolve questions on the LSAT. Essentially what you want to do for these types of questions is first read the question stem. Once you read the question stem, you're going to ask yourself, why in the stimulus do we believe that this is happening? And essentially your answer choice right here is going to explain that why. So let me jot that down here. It's going to explain the why. So here, when we're asking ourselves in this question, it's asking like, what explains the behavior of the birds that fly into the window panes? So we already kind of know what this is going to talk about. It's going to talk about the behavior of the birds, and then this answer is going to explain why they do that action. So let's see. So we said birds startled by potential predators generally try to take cover in nearby vegetation. Cool. Then yet many birds that feed at bird feeders placed in suburban gardens are killed when, thus startled, they fly away from the vegetation in the gardens and into the window panes of nearby houses. So it's like, okay, why are they flying into the window panes? Of course, it seems like maybe an accident, but we need to come up with that why, and that is going to explain this. So let's kind of go through and take a look at these answer choices. Now, I'm going to start from the bottom just because that is the correct answer for the sake of time, and then we're going to go back and take a look at the other ones and why they're wrong. But notice E, it says the window panes of many houses clearly reflect surrounding vegetation. So we know that they tried to take like cover in vegetation areas. So this would make sense why they are accidentally going into those window panes. So then if we take a look at the others, we say like most of the birds startled while feeding at the bird feeders placed in suburban gardens are startled by loud noises rather than predators. So keep in mind, like, this could be true, but it doesn't answer the why they go into the window panes. So like that would be wrong. And notice we can go through all of these, like large birds are as likely as small birds to fly into the window panes. Again, that's true, but that doesn't, or maybe it could be true, we don't know. But it doesn't explain why they fly into the window panes. So again, we're going to kind of go through all these answer choices and say, does it answer the why? If so, it's your answer, and if not, then move on.